wonder what letter we are focusing on for strive this week?
I know it's the V in strive, which means value others, and the virtues are patience and courtesy.
That's awesome. I can't wait to be courteous and patient to others this week.
I like your enthusiasm. I am also looking forward to being courteous and patient with others this week.
Courtesy is being polite and having good manners. When you speak and act courteously, you give others a feeling of being valued and respected. Greet people pleasantly. Bring courtesy home. Your family needs it most of all. Courtesy helps life to go smoothly.